Hey guys, Tivian here,
And I'm Kelvin. We're from Gamehubs.
and today we have something really special. We have the RAZER IFRIT headset.
So Tiff, what is this exactly?
So this is not just your regular headset, but this is a headset with pro-grade audio and meant for streamers.
Oh, cool. So shall we open it?
Yes, we shall.
Okay.
Oh, this is really tight built.
Right. Okay, so
Yeah.
So you said that this thing is pro grade and it's written on the box as well. So what makes it pro grade exactly?
Well, what makes it pro-grade? Basically because it has a built-in condensed mic, and also it has a sound card over here that not only enhance your audio but gives you better mic audio quality as well.
Okay.
Oh, they have a really long cable here. Oh, wow, it's such a long cable.
Okay.
Going. Yes.
You're gonna have to figure this out eventually.
So in the box we get additional earpiece. I bet this is medium size. There will be a small size and a large size in here.
Yeah.
And then you get a manual, a really cool looking manual. And I think, if not mistaken, there are stickers inside.
Oh, cool.
Nice.
That's a bonus. So, okay, this thing is pretty small, not like the usual Razer gamer headphones that you find in stores right now. So, why make it this way?
Well, basically, not only does this headphones give you a pro-grade audio, but also it gives you the convenience to just put it on and start it straight away, and you can begin your stream. Man, this cable is really long.
So you said stream, like to start our stream. So it's made specifically for streamers then.
Yes, it's made for streamers because of the quality of the audio you get. Instead of getting the usual large over-the-ear size, you get something this small, but as good of quality as well.
And with the combination of headphones or earphones,
Yeah.
with a pretty good mic.
Yes, exactly. So there you have it. Thanks for watching our unboxing of the RAZER IFRIT.
Be sure to follow us on social media for more cool videos like this. And once more, special thanks to Razer for letting us unbox this.
Yeah, so there you have it. I'm Tivian,
I'm Kelvin.
and catch you later. Stay tuned for more videos like this. I'm Kelvin.
Wow!